Hi, this is Lena and welcome back to my kitchen. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes. And if you're interested, please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the red subscribe button. And then if you are watching me from any other social media platforms apart from YouTube, please follow for more videos. And please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Now I have my chicken here. I have washed it very well with my lemon juice. I'll go ahead and cut the excess fat, okay, from it. Now I stopped because I realized if I put it on fire, it is going to melt. So now I've added my powdered pepper. I've added some ginger. I've added garlic. I'll go ahead and add this as well. And it's added some taste to the meat. Add any seasoning of your choice, okay? I've added this as well. I added some chicken seasoning, okay? And I'll go ahead and add my garlic olive oil. Now the star of the show is the soya spice. Oh my goodness, it added some taste to the chicken and the family fell in love with it, okay? Yes, so I'll go ahead and then smear it on the chicken very well. So this you are seeing here is hen. The female version of chicken is hen, and it is called hen when it is more than a year old, but when it is a year old, it is called pullet. So this one you are seeing here is more than a year old, this tiny thing. And I let this taste even better than the big ones, okay? Yeah, the local ones taste so good. That is what I had. Now after I am done with everything, we are going to place this in our fridge overnight. But you make sure you smear it every places under the skin, even though I know my husband is not going to eat the skin, but because of presentation purposes, I had to leave it, okay? Yes. Now after that, I am going to leave it in the fridge overnight. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Please, have you subscribed? If no, can you do so for me? Have you followed? If no, please do so for me. Share to others and please like this video. Leave me a comment. I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much. Now this is how it looks. As I said earlier, we will leave it in the fridge, and the next day we are just going to set our fire. To set the fire, you need some charcoal, kerosene, and your matches or lighter, okay? So I pour the kerosene on the charcoal and then I use my lighter. You can use matches or anything, okay? Yeah, you can as well go and get the fire that is already set and you add it to your charcoal. You are good to go. So if the fire is already set, this is how it is going to look. Normally you can go to the nearby house or your neighbor's house and then get maybe 3 of the charcoals that is already set, and then you come and add it to yours. You are good to go. But that is just by the way. So after I'm done, I'm just going to put the rack on it and then add some oil to our chicken and then place it on the rack. I just want it very easy when I'm flipping it, okay, or I'm turning it. I don't want it to stick to the rack. That is why I added oil, okay? Yeah, and I'm sure it is going to extract, okay? The oil will be extracted when we grill it. Thank you so much once again for your time. So this is how it looks, and I'll just go ahead and continue flipping, okay? But I have more of the fats around the chest, so I am concentrating at that point or at that section more than the back, okay? Yeah, so now I'll flip it to the back again, wait for a while, and our chicken is ready. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. I love you.